Are you losing your hotel credits to American Express? Watch this. You're going to have a great time doing this.
If you're a bargain hunter like I am, you don't want to miss this. If you're American Express Platinum holder, you got a $300 credit for their fancy hotels, and I like luxury travel at minimal price. So I'm not going to let $300 slip out of my fingers. So this is what you do. First, you want to go to maxfhr.com, and it's free. Just put in the location of any city that you're near. You don't have to have travel plans. I live near Austin, but San Antonio is a nearby city, so I'm just going to put in San Antonio, Texas. And here I've got some very affordable options, and it says what date they're going to, that's available. And here you go. That's the St. Anthony Luxury Collection. So here I'm going to go to Amex Travel, just one night. And I am looking for the St. Anthony. Okay, so here's the St. Anthony Hotel. You get, for one night stay, $223. Your $300 credit will cover that. Plus, you get $100 food and beverage credit to be used into your stay. So, and if you don't want to use the cash, you can use the points and you'll still get the $300 credited back to your account. So, just take an overnight trip. It's like you get a room upgrade, early check-in if available, guaranteed 4 p.m. checkout, late checkout, complimentary Wi-Fi, and daily breakfast for 2 people. So here you're walking in with a $75 credit plus, because you're getting the $300 credit minus the $224, it's about $75 credit. You're going to get a $100 credit when you're there, plus you get free breakfast, and you've got $175 to spend at the hotel. And this trip doesn't cost you a dime.